Hello everyone. I am building this series to help you set up your MacBook to enable you to have all the tools and software needed to build a web application on MERN-Stack. So for the beginners, we'll start with the VS Code. So let's see how we can install VS Code on MacBook. First, we'll open Chrome and we'll search for VS Code download. Click on the first link and click on this option Mac here. It automatically starts downloading. Once this is done, we'll open it and voila, VS Code is downloaded in your system. So let's just wait for this to be done. Then we'll move to our Finder and there we'll locate this in our downloads folder. So just a few seconds left. Let's wait for that to finish. So VS Code is one code editor which has a very good support when it comes to having extensions or language support, and also you can have your own settings. You can have different types of setup here to enable you to just personalize the whole code editing experience. So as you can see, VS Code is downloaded here. We'll unzip it and here you can find the VS Code application. It is downloaded now. You have to say open and start creating your project. Thank you.